What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bruce Rain. Welcome to Trader's Ambition. This has been a long time coming. Thank you for being patient with me. If you know anything about NASDAQ, you know that once that thing starts moving, that's it. What you're seeing right now is my baby. This is the TickSwift app, okay? Now, TickSwift is by far my best friend. Has been for about a month now. Okay, so the way we're gonna start with a demo of 50,000 here, right? You can go between the percentage or you can go between the dollar amount. But for me, I like to use 1%. All you have to do, it's very simple because we know the market moves fast, especially if you're entering on a lower time frame. That's exactly why I called it TickSwift. Come on, you got it. It's Friday, it's a weekend, but we're gonna say, okay, 77275, and happy Valentine's Day to you. Let's just say, okay, my stop is at 49.50. 49.50. So what I'm saying, I'm gonna do a 50-point stop, right? Now automatically these pop up, but the good thing about it, we got a 50-point stop loss, we got our entry price. All you have to do from this moment is click auto, and boom. Automatically, you know your exact contract sizing. No more guessing, no more making mistakes. This is automatically done. And let's just say you got a stop that's ridiculous. 88 and 8 contracts, not a good idea. If I'm using 88 points, how many contracts can I use? To be in your safe zone, you can only use 2 contracts. Let's just say you want to get greedy and go up 1. Now you're using above your 1%. When I was trying to get through these evals, I wasn't really looking at my 1Rs, 2Rs, 3Rs, and so forth, right? I was trying to get $3,000, etc. But you'll be surprised how fast you hit your 1R. I did it the other day, and I was like, yo, I'm done already. And I got my 1R and I sat down. I was like, okay, I'm done. I could have gone for a little bit more, but I didn't. And I love this app. It's made by a trader for traders to help you out. It's for the low. Let's see, let's just bring this up. We're gonna drop down. We're gonna go to the site. If you go to TickSwift.app, you'll see I got my little intro video there. I made that. Let me know what y'all think. Not only is this helping me pass through my evals, but I hope it can help you pass yours too. Because I know what it's like, especially when that trade starts moving, you start panicking and you're like, yo, definitely check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below about the idea. Do you feel as though this is gonna help you? I'm excited about it. I hope you are too. I want to build more tools that traders need, especially when it comes to futures. So the great thing about it, you click that, you open up your notepad, you come here and look at that. It tells you exactly what it was, what your stop loss was, what your risk was, and then the amount of contracts that you took for this particular trade. Now, that'll stay there the whole time unless you reset anything over here. You know, in the reset, we simply come back here and we say, ka-ching. Look at that, you're gone. Let's just say you had a fixed stop of 30. You always do 30. No matter what, you do 30. Let's say you were at 24,800. Okay, we come over here and boom. You're automatically gonna have, let's just say if this thing was 85, right? It's gonna tell you, dude, you're using 2.72%. You're not holding yourself accountable. You need to drop it down to what you really can trade, and that's 2 contracts. You'll find out if you're getting a 2R or a 3R. So when people ask me, how'd that trade go? You can say, hey, well, I got a 3R. Or I got a 4R. Or you ain't gonna believe this, man. I moved my stop loss to break even at my 1R. And then after that, I locked in profit as soon as it was attempting to hit my 2R. You know, I went ahead and locked in 30 pips and let it draw out all the way and just followed it all the way down to 5R. This is something that I hope you can use to your advantage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate, let me know. That being said, my name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. Let's get it. Thank you.